You know, everything wrong with the PBS advertising about Big Bird, whose puppeteer Carol Spiney already died. I mean, Spiney already do puppet of Big Bird. Big Bird is friend with the young children from her house, played sadly enough by Katherine Nicholson from one of the Harry Potter movies. So being such a good friend, Nicholson joined with Big Bird to a trip to the world events of years. Rest assured was Berlin Wall, an unstoppable cherry moment that absolutely wrong for me. Big Bird heads to the ballad contest where Nicholson is with him. That's what happened. When I was younger, I've already watched that sort of promo on PBS, so I have no idea what Big Bird stars in. I happened to watch that promo when I was 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years old. The bird has had an amazing adventure. He reunites with the Katherine Nicholson character and the ad is over. See, I know who is the young girl from the ad. It was Katherine Nicholson, who was wearing red jacket with a t-shirt that I don't know which one. But she's happened to change her hair. This is so bad. You all know everything was wrong about this promo. See you next time. Just thank you for watching. I'm not imitating Elvis at that point. Apart from the scene where took on the moon.